Hi guys, we're going to the beach right now. See you there. Right now, going to the beach.
Probably aren't gonna make it through the storm season.
It's no big deal. If they fall, I'll call Derek's tree service. They're on 24/7. The last big storm, our neighbors got them out at 3 in the morning.
Saan tayo anak pupunta? Yung maganda? Yung nag-ibo sila? Asan na isa? Nawawala isa?
Where's Danya?
Ay, hindi ko alam. Nawala.
Hindi ba nilalak yung mga pito?
We're here already. What's the name of this beach?
Hannah Park.
Oh,
Hannah Park Beach.
Hannah Park. We're
Let's go to the
here
beach,
with the
Tanya.
two doggies. Oh, maganda yung... Okay.
Looking for a parking area. This is Hannah Park.
Eh parang
On it.
sinabi ko, we're here already. Sinabi ko kukunti. Ando na already natatat.
Masabi, we go
We're
back.
almost there. We're near to the Hannah Park.
We're here at Hannah Park. We're just looking for our parking area.
Okay. Because I don't know the place. May baka mahinap the problem pa yung sabi ko. Yan, papasok na kami. Malapit na magtampisaw ang dalawang doggy at ang mga lola at ang mga anakis. At si Apo. At look at that. Sa parking pa lang panalo. Magtatampisaw na kami dito. Alrighty. Alrighty. Paparada dun sa Pilay. Ah, hindi ba tayo doon?
Sino pilay?
Yung handicap.
Di naman,
handicap.
wala namang pilay dito.
Naka-handicap
Hindi,
for today.
magpipilay-pilayan ako.
Naka-handicap for today.
Na!
Okay.
Magpipilay-pilayan si Lola.
Teka naman, excited.
We're here. Sana dyan. Oh, baba mo na atin yan. Baba ng mga upuan, ng mga rail at mga soft drinks kain namin. Si Chihiro. Ito si Chihiro. Ang aking apo. Lola. Apo, di naman. Ah, tingin. Tingin doon sa camera. Ay. Ay. Hirap na naman dito ah. Lalakad. Nagsasurfing ba ako? Pan-surfing ba ito? Careful. I'm on my way. Going to the beach. I mean, we're on the beach already, but we have to go to the seashore. Hello. We're here already. Hello, the seashore. Nasa Pampang na kami. Parang malamig yata ngayon ah. May hangin. Ako iinip pa rin lang yung buko. Makikita lang aking mga kalbunara dyan. Yung aking mga putings. Hello! Mag-aaral ako mag-surf. Ewan ko kung kakaya